In this video, I will show you how to send files between your PC and your phone without using any cable. We will use a pre-tool called Snapdrop. It is fast, easy and works on any device. So let's get started. First, make sure your smartphone and your PC are connected to the same network. You can do this by turning on the hotspot on your phone and connecting your PC to it. Both devices must be on the same Wi-Fi or hotspot for Snapdrop to work. Next, on your phone, open your browser and search for Snapdrop. Then click on the Snapdrop website. It will open directly without requiring any download or installation. Now on the Snapdrop page, tap on your device icon and choose upload file. This will open your file manager. So you can select the file you want to send. After selecting your file, wait a few seconds for it to upload. The upload time depends on your file size. Small files upload quickly and larger files may take a little longer. After the file is uploaded, Snapdrop will show all nearby devices that are connected to the same network. You will see your PC appear on the screen. Now go to your PC and connect to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot. Then open your browser and go to the same website link, snapdrop.net. This will allow your PC and phone to detect each other. Now you can share the uploaded file for your phone. The share request will appear on your PC Snapdrop web page. Just select your device on the screen and click download. After the download is complete, you will see your file save on your PC. That's it, you have successfully shared files between your phone and your PC without using any cable. Snapdrop makes the process fast and easy. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more simple tech guide. Thanks for watching.